Is it a fist?
Yes, it is.
Is it a knuckle?
Yes, it is.
Is it a cuticle?
No, it isn't. It's a phalanx.
How many phalanxes are there?
There are
14.
phalanxes.
Plus 14. How many?
28.
28.
Is it a thinner?
No, it isn't.
Will it be Wednesday tomorrow?
Yes, it will be Wednesday tomorrow.
Will it be the autumn season after this?
Yes, it will be autumn after this.
Is there someone on the left side of Mr. Furqan?
No,
There is none. Excellent. Where? On the left side of Mr. Furqan. And on his right side?
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Young scholars, we are going to have a session number
6th.
6, not 6th. Session number 6. We are going to have 6th session. The difference is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Session number 6 or 6th session. Class 1. We are going to record the previous session again because during the previous session's recording there was distortion. So you are ready for this session?
Yes, sir.
You are ready?
Yes, sir.
What's there in this session that we are going to revise all the formats which we have studied so far. There is an addition now to the previous features. There shall be 10 rounds, question from your side and answer from this side. First round. First question, please. Ji beta, please.
Is it a palm?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. What's it?
It's a palm.
Is it a fist?
Yes, it is.
What's it?
It's a fist.
Excellent.
Is it a wrist?
Yes, it is.
What's it?
It's a wrist.
This part of the arm is called wrist. You know there's a wrist watch.
Yes.
You know that?
Yes, sir.
Which watch?
Wrist.
Wrist watch.
Is it a knuckle?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. What's it?
It is a knuckle.
Excellent. Knuckle. Clear? What's it?
It's a knuckle.
What's about it?
It's a knuckle.
Excellent. This part, this joint, even these joints are also known as
Knuckle.
knuckles.
Is it an index finger?
Yes, it is.
Which finger?
Index finger.
Index finger. Excellent.
Is it a knuckle?
No, it isn't. It's a cuticle.
Excellent. This part of our skin, at the bottom of this nail, what's it?
It's a cuticle.
Excellent. And what's it?
It's a knuckle.
Excellent. Is it a cuticle?
No, it isn't. It's a knuckle.
Excellent. Is it a knuckle?
No, it isn't. It's a cuticle.
Excellent.
Is it a cuticle?
No, it isn't. It's a phalanx.
Excellent. What's it?
It's a cuticle.
Excellent. And what's it?
It's a phalanx.
This one?
Phalanx.
This one?
Phalanx.
How many phalanxes are there in a finger?
There are 3 phalanx.
3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 1 and 2.
14.
14. In our hand, how many phalanxes are there?
There are 14.
14
Phalanxes.
plus 14. How many?
28.
28. Now the concept of phalanx is clear.
Yes, sir.
MashaAllah. You got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Question please.
Is it a proximal phalanx?
No, it isn't. It's a distal phalanx.
Excellent. Ready?
Yes, sir.
How many phalanxes are there?
There are 3 phalanxes.
Okay. This phalanx is known as
Distal.
distal. This one? Middle. And this one?
Proximal.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Whose turn?
Is it a distal phalanx?
No, it isn't. It's a middle phalanx.
Excellent.
Is it a thinner?
No, it isn't. It's a hypothenar.
This is thenar. This is
Hypothenar.
excellent.
Is it a hypothenar?
No, it isn't. It's a thenar.
Excellent. Thenar. Whose turn? Yours?
Is it Tuesday today?
Yes, it's Tuesday today.
Was it Monday yesterday?
Yes, it was Monday yesterday.
What was the day yesterday?
It was Monday Monday yesterday.
You were present yesterday.
No, I wasn't present yesterday.
Will it be Wednesday tomorrow?
Yes, it will be Wednesday tomorrow.
Is it Wednesday today?
No, it isn't. It's Tuesday today.
Was it Tuesday yesterday?
No, it wasn't. It was Monday yesterday.
Will it be Thursday tomorrow?
No, it won't be. It will be Wednesday tomorrow.
MashaAllah.
Is it 4th January today?
Yes, it's 4th January.
Was it 3rd January yesterday?
Yes, it was 3rd January yesterday.
Will it be 5th January tomorrow?
Yes, it will be 5th January tomorrow.
Is it 3rd January today?
No, it isn't 3rd January. It's 4th January today.
Was it 2nd January yesterday?
No, it wasn't 2nd January. It was 3rd January yesterday.
Will it be 6th January tomorrow?
No, it won't be 6th January. It will be 5th January tomorrow.
Is it the winter season now?
Yes, it's winter.
Was it summer season before this?
Yes, it was summer before this.
Will it be the autumn season after this?
Yes, it will be autumn after this.
Excellent.
Is it today?
Yes, it's cold today.
Was it cloudy yesterday?
Yes, it was cloudy yesterday.
Will it be cold tomorrow?
Yes, it will be cold tomorrow.
Is it warm today?
No, it isn't. It's cold today.
Was it sunny yesterday?
No, it wasn't. It was cloudy yesterday.
Will it be humid tomorrow?
No, it won't be humid. It will be cold tomorrow.
X because the cold season.
Is there a keyboard on the table?
Yes, there's a keyboard on the table.
Are there books on the shelf?
Yes, there are books on the shelf.
Is there a book near the keyboard?
No, there's no book near the keyboard.
No book.
Are there diaries in front of the table?
No, there are no diaries in front of the table.
Excellent.
Is there Mr. Tahir on the right side of Mr. Furqan?
Yes, there's Mr. Tahir on the right side of Mr. Furqan.
Is there someone on the left side of Mr. Furqan?
No,
There is none. Excellent. Where? On the left side of Mr. Furqan.
Is there someone in front of us?
Yes, there are many students in front of us.
Excellent. Is there someone behind us?
No, there is none behind us.
Excellent. There are some students in front of us, but there is none behind us. Points clear?
Yes.
Is it 3:56 p.m. now?
Yes, it's 3:56 p.m. now.
Was it 3:15 p.m. at the start of our class?
Yes, it was 3:15 p.m. at the start of our class.
Will it be 4:15 p.m. at the end of our class?
Yes, it will be 4:15 p.m. at the end of our class.
Excellent.
Is it 3:58 p.m. now?
No, it isn't 3:58 p.m. now.
The next class after 5 minutes. I mean 5 minutes after your departure. See you two at 3:16 p.m. when? Tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.